Almost every part of neem tree, from its bark to its seeds, leaves, and flowers, has something to offer. Here's a closer look at all the healing neem can do for you. 1. Contains anti-aging and protective antioxidants. Neem leaves contain potent antioxidants such as quercetin and nimbolide, which can protect against the damaging effects of free radicals. Harmful free radicals are known to damage DNA and have been implicated in conditions such as diabetes, heart disease, and cancer. They also play a role in aging. Neem-based supplements and remedies may help you keep these free radicals at bay. 2. Lowers blood sugar. It is estimated that about 560 million people suffer from diabetes worldwide. Neem may have the potential to treat what's turning into a global epidemic. According to an animal study, administration of neem leaf extract and neem seed oil was able to lower blood sugar. In fact, their effect was comparable to that of an anti-diabetic drug called glibenclamide. The study also found that when animals were treated with the leaf extract or oil seed for 2 weeks, before they were started on a chemical that induced diabetes, it helped cut down a rise in blood sugar. 3. Helps control blood pressure. High blood pressure can raise your risk for serious conditions such as kidney failure and heart failure, but neem may help you keep your blood pressure levels under control. Animal studies show that neem leaf extracts can cause a drop in blood pressure. One study even found that when animal subjects were given an extract of neem leaves along with salt, they had a much lower blood pressure than the control group, which was given only salt. So there you go. Neem leaves might just help you ward off high blood pressure. 4. Protects the liver. Your liver is a hard-working organ, which works to remove toxins from the body. But harmful chemicals and even some common medicines can cause toxic damage to the liver. This is where neem leaves can help out. For instance, one study found that neem leaf extracts protect against liver damage caused by the drug paracetamol, while another observed that nimbolide, the bioactive constituent of neem leaves, countered the effects of the toxic chemical carbon tetrachloride. So some neem leaf juice might be just what your liver needs to keep fighting fit. 5. Helps fight cancer. Traditional Chinese medicine has used neem to treat cancer for centuries, and the extracts of neem seeds, flowers, leaves, and fruits have all been found to have anti-tumor and chemoprotective effects in various kinds of cancer. Components such as nimbolide and azadirachtin are thought to be responsible for many of neem's cancer-fighting properties. It has the ability to induce cell death, inhibit cell proliferation, and boost your immune response against tumor cells. Interestingly, research shows that neem may also enable certain anti-cancer drugs to work more effectively. Remember though, neem cannot take place of the conventional treatment options, but you can speak to your doctor about neem as an aid in the fight against cancer.